Hi, I'm District Attorney Summer Stephan. Thank you for joining me for this week's DA News. I want to talk to you about the vaccines that are being rolled out, but this is also an opportunity for scammers to try to get your personal information or get money out of you. Remember, there are only the official sites or your medical provider. So you have to go to san-diego-county.gov to find out where those vaccine sites are. If someone tries to sell you vaccines who's not your medical provider or the county, then beware and don't engage with that person and report it. And also, if someone calls you and tries to get your personal information, then know that that's a scam, because this is not how you sign up to get your vaccines. So beware and be careful and only trust the official sources. An exciting new project innovation that we rolled out is Handle with Care. And this is to protect our students and our kids who sometimes have a traumatic event happen at home, like a domestic violence situation or a child abuse situation or a search warrant that's being served on their household. And then they show up to school and they didn't bring their homework, they're being defiant, and sometimes those things are mistaken by teachers as bad behavior by the kids. Handle with Care is an app that goes on the police officers' phones, and they're able to alert the school without giving more private information to handle the child with care. That's all they say. And this gives an opportunity for the teachers and counselors to provide services and to be aware that the child might have had a traumatic experience. This is such a great partnership with our schools, with our police departments and sheriff, and it began in Chula Vista as a pilot and now is going county-wide. I wrote a follow-up letter to the governor, to the state health officials, and to the local health officials regarding some alarming statistics that are happening in the time that schools are closed. It's something of great concern. We are seeing alarming numbers of internet crimes against children, with kids being at home with their tablets, their phones, and not in school or in sports or other positive activities. We're seeing increase in gang activity, which is also of great concern, and we are seeing really bad statistics in terms of suicide ideations with children at Rady's Children's Hospital. Because of all of these public safety concerns and health concerns for our kids, I wrote my second letter updating the data about what is happening on the front of the other pandemic, the pandemic that is affecting the health and well-being of students and kids in San Diego County. So we're hoping to hear about some safe reopening plans so that kids can go back to school in a safe manner. Remember, we're here for you. Just reach out if there's anything we can do for you, and I'll talk to you next week.